I'm David Beadle. Here's what's happening from RateAlertNow.com. Mortgage rates were higher on Monday after a major stock market rally following the announcement of a $1 trillion bailout of failed southern European economies. A significant share of the assistance will come from the International Monetary Fund, which means American taxpayers could be required to pay worker pensions in Greece. The national average 30-year fixed-rate mortgage is at 4 7/8% with 1.5 points, up 1/4 point from Friday, for an extra cost of $250 on a $100,000 loan. The 5 1/8% rate is at 1/4 point, up 1/8 point from the end of last week. Remember, 1 point is worth 1% of the loan amount. This means 1 point is $1,000 on a $100,000 loan and $2,000 on a $200,000 loan. When it comes to a 2-point loan, that represents 2% of the loan amount. This means 2 points is $2,000 on a $100,000 loan and $4,000 on a $200,000 loan. The national average 15-year fixed-rate mortgage saw the 4 1/4% rate at 1 1/4 points, up 1/8 point from Friday. The 4 3/8% rate is at 5/8 point. In order for you to know when to lock your floating fixed-rate mortgage, you have to have an early warning system with immediate news on changes in current rates and points before they occur throughout each and every business day. That's where my Rate Alert Now service becomes essential to your rate lock strategy. I'll tell you via regular email and or mobile text messaging when current rates are about to go up. And if you act quickly, you may be able to reach your local mortgage originator by phone to lock your rate before the mortgage company becomes aware of what's going on and changes its rates. The cost of my service is less than $1 a day. On Tuesday, we will see weekly retail sales. The expectation is for an unchanged result after a 0.4% decline during the previous period. Sales are expected to remain lackluster for the entire month. That's what's happening. I'm David Beadle. For full details on my real-time mortgage rate alert service to help you beat the system, visit RateAlertNow.com and check back here on Tuesday evening for my next free mortgage rate update.